Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning. Went for a little hike finally. Found the one pond I was looking for off the main path down to the creek. And I came off the back side of the pond and followed basically some game trails, and that led me down to the creek. So that's where we're at now. Water's flowing pretty good, but man, I can walk right up on this. Still amazed on how, I guess, sandy this soil is. I can walk literally right up on this. There's not one speck of mud on my shoes. And could easily drive the Ranger or tractor down here if it fit, which it will eventually once we get a little bit better path cut. But like I said, I'm just amazed how dry, and non-muddy it is up here with this sandy soil. Could easily pair of boots, if I didn't want to get my feet wet, walk across here over to that section over there. Not gonna do that today. Got limited time. Need to finish up what I want to do and get home. But it looks like there's some paper birch trees over there on the other side. Into that looks like birch trees. I don't know, there's one right here. One right here in front of me. Birch tree. I guess it looks like a paper birch. But I don't know if this is just a side tributary of the main creek that's running. I can see it running there, and that the main creek is across there. It looks like it is, because it's another dip down over there. But yeah, pretty cool. The pond up top of us here, it's maybe 50 by 50, easily accessible by that little main road, and can be cleaned out and cleared up so you can get around it and not worry as much about snakes and stuff. But easily accessible from the road with a little tractor and whatnot. So that'll be probably the main one we clean. There's another pond supposedly up in the mix of it up there. The guy's going to show me how to get to it next trip out. So, but pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool.